Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new to my channel, my name is Evelyn. I'm one of the beauty influencer. I do a lot of makeup videos, product reviews and all that other jazz. But today's video is very special for me because I am actually going to introduce something which is going to be my brand, and I just wanted to come off the camera, show you guys each and every single product, show you how to apply it and all that stuff. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. So let's just go ahead and show you guys what I come up with and what it is and all that other jazz about this product. So yeah, let's get into it. Talk about the product first. So the product I'm actually going to show you guys is my lashes. I came up with a lash line. It's going to be my brand. I'm calling it I Am Pretty Girl Lashes. I already have website and all that stuff anyway for you guys, so I'll write down all the everything in the description box below anyway. But today I'm gonna go ahead and start showing you each and every single style. These are the mink lashes, and only one pair is the 3D one. The rest is very natural, wispy looking lashes. They are really high quality, really lightweight, and really easy to apply. My main focus was when designing these lashes was to have my band super thin, so even a person who's wearing the lash first time won't feel like if they're wearing false lashes. It actually makes them feel that's their own lashes. So the main idea was to keep the lashes super duper lightweight. So I have 5 styles for you, starting from the first one. So I'm going to show you the first style, and it's called Pretty Me, and it's a very nice, a really wispy lash. I'm going to show you guys now so you can see the style. This is the style, and it's very fluffy, and it's, however, it's a bit shorter. The length of the hair is a bit shorter at the front, going really tall and really long at the back, so it automatically will give you a really nice cat eye look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the first one on so you can see how it looks, and then you can and I'll go through each and every single one with you, and I'll apply it on camera for you guys as well, so you can see how easy it is to apply and how each style is going to look. I kept my makeup really simple, just with the bold wing liner today, because I wanted you to see the lash, how it's going to look with just normal eye. So first thing first, I'm just going to curl my lashes and looking clumpy. So what I like to do is apply most of the product on the roots and then slowly take it up. The first one I'm going to show you is Pretty Me. As you can see, this style is very wispy, and it's very tiny at the front, but as it's going at the end it gets really nice and long. So I'm also applying my own lash glue, so I do have a lash glue in our range as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lash glue first. Okay, apply the lash glue first. Other colors or anything, so these are the one I've been showing and wearing them pretty much all the time lately. So this one is, I will have to say, this one is my favorite pair among all 5, is just because this one is so natural looking. It gives my eye shape, it really works with my eye shape, and it really make any look really nice. So see how easy and quick it was to put the lash. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the other one. I will have to say that these lashes are a bit long, so you will have to cut them up or trim them up based on your eye length and your preference. So go very, and when you're cutting it, try always cut it from the end, not from the front. And I'm sure you all know about these things anyway, but just to be on the safe side. So this one is on too, and I just let them sit on my eyes for a few minutes before I start playing around with them or clumping both my lashes, my false and my natural lashes together. It's just because I want the glue to do its job before I can start playing around with them. But while it's wet, if you just lift the lash, it goes and gives you that lifted look. So this one is Pretty Me. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the little bit mascara on my lower lashes as well, so you can see the full look. I try to keep my makeup as like limited as possible, so you can see the lashes properly. So this first style is Pretty Me. This is how it looks, and I'm gonna make my lashes low so you can see. It really is a wispy, really everyday kind of lash. It makes your whole look, like, change it to another level. Even if you have long lashes and you add these, it's gonna give you even more wispy, long, like fluttery kind of look, and it's gonna make your eyes look super nice and super sultry. I absolutely love this one. This is definitely my favorite pair, and as you can see on camera, I applied it. It's super quick. It's not, you don't have to fuck around with it. The glue I came up with is so strong, it literally takes a couple of seconds to get tacky, and once you pop your lash on, it doesn't move all day long. It just stays where you pop it. So it's so easy and beautiful lash to apply on a daily basis. So once again, this one is Pretty Me. What I'm going to show you is called Let It Be, and this pair is going to be a lot of people who don't like wearing a lot of big dramatic lashes. This is going to be their favorite pair because it kind of is everyday look, but the way the shape and everything for this lash is, it actually goes with every single look, whether you have a really smoky eye or you have a really simple, like normal, just natural, no eyeliner, nothing, just mascara kind of look, kind of eye look. It's so beautiful. This one is called Let It Be, and as you can see, this is very long, but so I have trimmed these based on my eye length and my eye shape. So I'll highly recommend you to trim these because they are pretty long. So okay, this one is on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. As you can see how quick and easy I'm popping these up. It's so easy to work with. Style is called Let It Be. Once again, I'm just gonna let them sit for a bit before I do anything. The only thing I like to do is, while they are still setting, I like to press it with my applicator right on the edges. So if any part of the lash is not sticking at this point, it will just stick. Be very careful when you do this step. Don't poke your eye, and if you are not comfortable doing this, you don't really have to. So there we go. These are the Let It Be lash style. It's going to be very full on kind of glam. If you are one of those full-on queen, who you like wearing these kind of lashes every single day, you're gonna absolutely love this style. Again, goes with every single thing. Personally, I like to wear a really dramatic lashes when I have really full, heavy, full eye, kind of bold eye look on. Otherwise, I prefer very natural looking lashes. But if you are a person who like wearing these kind of lashes every single day, this would be your favorite pair, because it does make your eyes really stand out. Like when I say stand out, means really stand out. See, as I said before, I have trimmed them based on my my eye length. So please do trim it based on your own eye length. So here we go. See, I told you this is going to be one of the dramatic pairs. I don't have many of them in my launch. I have only one dramatic pair, so which more will be introducing during the in upcoming launches, but for now these ones are the most dramatic ones among all 5 styles. So there we go. This is Drama Queen. They are really full, right? They are proper statement kind of lash styles, so it's gonna definitely make that statement. If you're going for that look, that statement look, this is the lash you need, because it's gonna it's gonna blow everyone's mind. It's so dramatic, so full, so wispy, so long, so like on your face kind of thing. So if you like this kind of style, this is definitely going to be your favorite pair. So the next pair I'm going to put is called Dreamer. Dreamer is very much like Let It Be. It's very wispy, very long, very full on, and it's very natural looking as well. But you can definitely rock both this and Let It Be with any kind of look. Dreamer has a bit of a shorter hair at the inner corner or the front of the lash, and as it's going towards the end, it has more longer and wispy hairs. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more lash glue this time, because I just applied a bit of a liner. So just to get a bit of a shorter hair at the front, and then as it's going towards the end, it has a longer hair. So okay, this one is on. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the next one. Okay. Right. Twiggling them around, and always apply your eyeliner after your lash glue is completely dry, so you can see where you actually need to add any more eyeliner. Sometimes you actually don't need to put the eyeliner all over your eye again. It's just the certain areas where you need to go and just top it up. So this is Dreamer. This lash, again, as I said, it's really nice, wispy, long, and these are so lightweight. You're gonna absolutely love them. The whole idea for me to come up with the lash was it's so comfortable to wear. Anyone can wear it every day, or even like wear it for all day and don't feel like your eyes are tired or you're feeling a heavy feeling or anything like that. So this one is, as I said, this one is Dreamer. I started applying false lashes, I used to struggle all the time and I used to hate wearing it, but after a lot of like practice and all that, finding the lashes which works for me really well was my like whole thing. I was just like, okay, I'm very happy I found it, I'm glad. So this one is called I Am Winging It. I Am Winging It is again a very natural looking lash, more bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on. I'm not applying any more lash glue because I already have a lot of lash glue on my eyes now. So these ones, I like So personally, I haven't trimmed these ones because I really like them when they go a little bit out of my eye. It gives me a really nice cat eye kind of look without doing all that cat eye effort. This one is I am winging it. Okay, and there we go. Again, super lightweight, super fluffy, super wispy. Absolutely love this style. I have been wearing this particular one with my no makeup days, or when I just put a little bit tinted moisturizer, a bit of a mascara, but I still want a little bit extra oomph. I just applied this. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video for me showing you all my lashes and how each and every single style is, how they look on me, and what you are, how you can wear them, and how easy and lightweight it is for you to apply. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. All the information regarding the launch date, regarding in which countries I'll be shipping or not. I'm not shipping worldwide at the moment. It's going to be available only in limited countries. So I will put all that information in the description box below so you can see. And the official launch date, as I said, is 1st of March. All other information would be available on my website on 27th of February, so you can go and check it out. I will put the website link in the description box below as well. And also I will put a discount code, a welcome discount code for the website as well, so you can just have a look and save some money too. Everything else, the price, everything else would be mentioned in the description box below too. So yeah, there we go. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for your support and your love, because without this, your love and support, because without your love and support, this would not have been possible. And I am really happy for you guys to try my product and see, and I would love to see your creations using my lashes, and love to get your feedback, what you guys think. I'm actually really excited, nervous. There's a lot of mixed emotions going on right now, so I can't wait for you guys to try my lashes and be more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.